What's up everybody, it's Andy, and today I'm going to be going over the Arduino Uno controller and the first skills test. Before we start the video, I'd like to go over the Arduino Uno controller board with you guys. If you guys do not understand what I'm saying in this video, you can check out our website at queenandandy.com, a page that's all about this series. Really quick everybody, I've been thinking about making this into a series, so comment down below if you would like to see another video just like this, and if you enjoyed it, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Right here is the Arduino controller board. It looks really nice. Right here is our reset button. It's very red. And then right here is our USB connector, which are connectors shown right here. This connector will work on PCs, phones, tablets, etc., as long as it has a USB port that you can plug it into. Right here, this black thing is called a barrel jack. It's an alternate input that accepts 9-volt power sources, which is equal to a 9-volt battery adapter. Right here, this black line across the board, those are the digital pin connectors. These connectors are what connects to the actual Arduino board. Right here, I'm going to zoom in on it. The L, as you can see right there, that means the LED is controlled by a digital pin, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, whichever ones it is down here. I'm going to zoom in again, and as you can see, there's an on. And of course, that's going to light up because the Arduino board is plugged in and up and running. Let's get started with the video now.
Not roll. Alright, let's go over to the application called the Arduino. What is this called? I don't even know what my own setup is called. Now we're going to roll over to Arduino IDE. Cool name. What we're going to do is start putting in the code that was listed in the book. So we're going to type in pin with a capital M mode. Then we're going to put in parentheses 13, then comma, then in all caps output, then close captions. Alright, we're going to type in digital, and then we're going to put in write. We're going to put in write, and then we're going to put in 13, comma, in all caps, high. And then we're going to close it. Then we're going to put in delay, and we're going to put in 300, and then semicolon, slash, and then wait for 300 milliseconds. Next, we're going to put in digital. Next, we're going to put in digital, and we're going to put in right beside it, and then we're going to put in right with it. You get it? And then we're going to put in 13, comma, low, in all caps. Then we're going to put in semicolon. Alrighty, now we're going to hit the verify button. It's going to complete our sketch, and it looks like everything is correct in it. As you can see right here, it said sketch uses 924 bytes, which is 2% of program storage space. Maximum is 3,000. No, the maximum is 32,256. You don't really have to worry about that. So now, this arrow is called upload, and when we click it, it's going to upload it to the Arduino board, to the Arduino controller board.
Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like on it and comment down below what you would like to see next. Queen and Andy saves the day.